In this video, we're going to show you how to add a repeat field to a custom module using the Divi Module Builder plugin available on diviplugins.com. We're also going to add an icon to our repeat fields. So we'll show you how to add a repeat field and an icon field. If you're following along in the price drop custom module, this will be the last video that will wrap up this price drop video tutorial. So we are in the home stretch. If we go to our edit module, we're going to add another field and we're going to call it product detail. For the identifier, we're going to call it product_detail. And for the description, enter a new product detail. We're going to check repeat field, and this will make it an add new item to the module. We'll show you that. This is going to be a text field, so we'll leave that. And then we're also going to check the design tab and the advanced tab so that we have font and CSS controls. And then below that, we're going to add another field, the product detail icon. For the identifier, we're going to call it product_detail_icon. And for the field description, add an icon to show before product detail. This will also be a repeat field. Any field that you check as a repeat field will all get added to the add new item. So it'll become a field within the repeat field, add new item. This one is going to be an icon, so we're going to click on icon field type, and we're going to add this to the advanced tab as well. So let's update, and now we need to place our repeat fields inside of our HTML output. So we're going to copy over from So we're going to place those right above our description. I'm going to add a div container, product details, and then I'm going to add an unordered list, and then I'm going to add the repeat fields HTML output inside of my unordered list. Now we actually have to create the HTML output for each field. So we're going to go down to repeat fields HTML output, and I'm going to add an item. We're going to add our icon, which is available here, and then beside the icon I'm going to add the text container, which is going to be dp_field_product_detail. And then I'm going to add my product detail text field and then close my span tag. So this is the HTML output that will get outputted for each repeat field. And then the percentage repeat fields, this outputs the entire, for each item you add, this will output all of those items. And we're going to click on update. Now let's refresh our page. And we should have the option to add a new item now. Add new item. So we're going to say item 1. We're going to add an icon. And we're going to go to the design tab. We can choose our icon color. Let's make it black, and we can change the font size for the icon. Let's make it 20 pixels. Save, and let's preview our changes. So now we have our icon and our repeat field. Let's go back. I'm actually going to make the icon a little bit smaller. Let's go down to 16. And now we can just create multiple items. Let's do item 2. Change the icon. Item 3. And another new icon. Save and preview. And now we have 3 repeat items added to our custom module. So let's go back to our module editor, and I'm going to add my custom JavaScript that I'm using to create the animation. Paste that in. Basically what this is doing is taking the data animation attribute, which is the result of the select field that we've added that allows the user to select which animation they want to add. So the JavaScript is taking that animation and then adding it to a class to each module, each instance of the module when it's hovered. So let's update that. So now if we test our module, the original price drops out and the sales price drops in, and we can go back and change those animations. Let's do, for the original, let's do a rollout, and for the sale price, let's do a roll in. Save, preview, and now the original rolls out and the sales price rolls in. And I'm just going to go back and let's use the visual builder. We'll show you how everything's working in there. And we have our module in the visual builder. Everything is working except for the custom JavaScript. That will not render in the live preview, so we won't be able to test the animations. But we can click on our module and we can add a new item. Item 4. We'll change the icon. We can go down and add a background color to our module. And we can add a box shadow. And I'll go back up to the original price text. And I think in the custom module that we created originally, we had a larger font size with a bold font weight, so I'll add that. We'll do 16 pixels. And we can duplicate this. And you can see everything is working in the visual builder. We'll go back to our module. We added all of our field types to this module. We added HTML output. We're using PHP. We are adding custom CSS, custom JavaScript. We're using repeat fields, and we're even using a custom function. So this is definitely a more in-depth custom module, a more complex custom module. But you can see that you can pretty much build anything that you want with the Divi Module Builder. And you don't have to create something as complex as this. You can create a very simple image and text and a URL module. You can basically do whatever you want with the Divi Module Builder between the field types that we offer and the HTML output, CSS, JavaScript, and the custom functions. Thank you for watching this video. Again, if you want to use this plugin, go to diviplugins.com and download the Divi Module Builder plugin. And this price drop custom module will be available for free on the website as well.